Hi, I'm Danny. I'm an Athens orthopedic patient, and I just had hip replacement surgery. 6 months ago, I was riding my mountain bike, and I hit a stump hole, and all of a sudden, I felt this incredible pain in my hip. And I thought, well, I had pulled a muscle or something along those lines. So being the guy that I was, or am, I ignored it for some period of time. And then finally, I couldn't ignore it any further, so I went to Athens Orthopedic, and they did a CAT scan, and they immediately said, you need a hip replacement. So I jokingly said, oh wait, you got the wrong guy, you're looking at the wrong films. That's for people who are much older. So then after I met with Dr. Ryan, he said, no, you're an excellent candidate for hip replacement surgery. It's not unusual for people who are very active, especially very active all of their lives, to have an early kind of hip replacement. He said, you're really not that early at 62 years old. Dr. Ryan gave me a pamphlet that he specifically gives his patients. It answered a lot of my questions. It eliminated a lot of things that I read online that were actually not correct. And then Dr. Ryan and his staff were perfectly open for all of my questions, and everything that he told me kind of alleviated my fears. He said, we have this Mako surgery that helps me get a better alignment and a better procedure and faster recovery. You'll come in, it's an outpatient surgery, you'll probably be no more than 3 or 4 hours, and then you'll go home. And almost to the letter and timing, it was all of that. About 3 days or 4 days later, I almost felt like I was recovered enough to walk around and start doing all kinds of things. And within about 4 to 5 weeks, I was finished and discharged. Wonderful experience. Dr. Ryan said a lot of people will put it off, but I tell people now, don't put it off. From the day I walked in and had a CAT scan until the day I walked out at the end of physical therapy, I felt like I was in good hands all the way through. And I would absolutely recommend Athens Orthopedic Clinic to anybody.